blue, yellow. What is missing? Purple macaron, here it is. Very tasty. Green, no, it's blue. You close your eyes. Hello and welcome back to the Parents English channel, where I show you how you and your kids can learn English fast by playing fun games and doing exciting things. So today we're gonna learn colors in English like red, blue, yellow, green, pink, brown, purple and orange. So for this I prepared the handouts, which as always you can download for free in the description to this video. What do we need? We need scissors, glue stick, and we need some colorful pencils, or you can take colorful markers. We need to cut out the pictures. Take scissors and cut out the pictures. The first game is very simple. You take only the pictures, the colorful pictures that you have, and you just place them upside down. Ask your kid just to pick one and tell what color it is. Just for example, let's take this one. Oh, it's red. Simple. Take another one, it's brown. This one is purple. That's blue. Okay? Super easy. Now let's make it more difficult. Place the cards with pictures neatly here, and the cards with the colors written on the card on the other side. Take one card from the picture side and one card from the words side, and if they match, then you take them together. For example, let's choose this one. So that's blue, and now I need to select a card which says blue. Oh, it's pink, so it's wrong. So let's put them back. Take another card. Okay, it's green, and now I need to pick green. Yes. All right, so you see, we found it. So we put them together and repeat the same thing until you and your kids find all the colors. Game number 3. Now you need to color the pictures and learn new words in addition to the colors. For example, a red car. So now take red and color the car red. So in this way, we've learned the red color and the word car. The second one is a brown pencil. Let's take brown and color the pencil brown. And of course, a purple macaron, very tasty. Now make your kids read what is written on each card. A red car, a brown pencil, a purple macaron, an orange orange, a pink rabbit, a blue dolphin, a yellow sun, and a green apple. And of course you can play exactly the same game I have just shown you, and instead of saying just the colors, say what is in the picture. For example, a red car or a blue dolphin. Now you can learn an additional word. And finally, game number 4. What you need to do is have your kids look at the pictures for 5 seconds and tell them to close their eyes. Then you take one picture out. For example, I've taken a purple macaron. You hide it, then tell your child to open their eyes and tell you what is missing. Your child needs to tell you the color and the object that is missing. So what is missing? Correct, a purple macaron, here it is. Now your child tells you to close your eyes, you close your eyes, and the child takes one picture out, hides it, and you need to find what picture is missing. So you open the eyes and try to find it out, what is missing. You can make a mistake and say a green dolphin, and the child says, no, it's blue, it's a blue dolphin, okay? So make your kids speak, and this will help them a lot. These type of games are really good because they make your kids speak without being afraid of speaking or without being shy of speaking, and in this way they can learn not only the colors but also different objects like the dolphin, the orange, the pencil, the apple. And always praise your kids, tell them how good they are, how well they've done the exercise. So here's the list of the new English words that we have learned today. And if you want to see more videos like that, just click on the next video where I will be showing you new experiments and new games with which we can learn English fast at the same time. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.